Hey everyone! Welcome back to Review Kitchens, your ultimate channel for honest and fun kitchen gadget reviews. Today, we're diving into the COSORI Air Fryer Oven Combo 7QT. This versatile, family-sized air fryer promises to be a game changer in your kitchen. Let's see if it delivers on that promise. The COSORI Air Fryer Oven Combo is like having a mini chef in your kitchen, with 12 one-touch cooking functions, including toast, roast, bake, dehydrate, chicken, fish, bacon, steak, seafood, veggies, fries, and frozen. This gadget takes the guesswork out of cooking. You can even customize your own cooking functions to suit your preferred time and temperature. It's practically like having a personal assistant for your meals. To make it easier for you, I've included a link to the website where you can buy it at the best price. Love healthy snacks. The dehydrate function lets you make delicious beef jerky and dried fruit right at home. Say goodbye to store-bought snacks with mysterious ingredients. With a temperature range of 100 degrees Fahrenheit to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, this air fryer can handle anything you throw at it. Whether you're air frying at high temps or dehydrating at lower ones, the COSORI has you covered. The max 450 degrees Fahrenheit setting improves the heating rate by 30%, so your food cooks faster. Craving fried food, but not the guilt. The COSORI air fryer uses up to 85% less oil than traditional frying methods. You can enjoy your favorite crispy foods while sticking to your health goals. It's a win-win. The 7-quart capacity is perfect for family meals, fitting a 5-pound chicken with ease. It's big enough to feed the whole family, but compact enough not to take over your counter space. Perfect for those big family dinners or meal prepping for the week. With the free VE-Sync app, you can control your air fryer and monitor the cooking process remotely. Plus, enjoy hands-free cooking with Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant. With over 100 recipes constantly updated in VE-Sync, you'll never run out of ideas. This air fryer comes with 7 handy accessories: a 7QT air frying basket, wire rack, crumb tray, broiler rack, crisper plate, and 2 dehydrating racks. These tools make cooking even more versatile and efficient. Cleaning up is a breeze with the non-stick basket and dishwasher-safe accessories. No more scrubbing pots and pans for hours. Positive points: 12 in 1 functionality for versatile cooking. Large 7-quart capacity, perfect for family meals. Wide temperature range, 100 degrees Fahrenheit to 450 degrees Fahrenheit for various cooking methods. Healthier meals with up to 85% less oil. Smart control with VE-Sync app and voice assistant compatibility. Includes 7 useful accessories. Easy to clean with dishwasher-safe parts. Negative points: takes up a fair amount of counter space. The digital controls can take some time to get used to. Should you buy it? So, should you buy the COSORI Air Fryer Oven Combo 7QT? Absolutely. It's perfect for anyone looking to simplify their cooking routine while making healthier meals for the family. Its versatility, large capacity, and smart features make it a fantastic addition to any kitchen. That's it for today's review. Thanks for watching Review Kitchens. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more honest and detailed kitchen gadget reviews. See you next time.